In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect domain name with web hosting in GoDaddy. We'll start inside your GoDaddy account, sign in and head to your account dashboard. In the top corner, open your profile menu and choose My Products. This is your central hub where all domains and hosting plans live, so it's the best place to make sure everything you need is in one spot. Under the Domains area, click Manage All to see your full domain portfolio. Here, you can quickly confirm the domain you want to connect is active and in your account. If you like, open the DNS page for that domain to get familiar with its records. You don't have to change anything yet, but it's helpful to know where DNS lives, since this is what ultimately points your domain to your hosting. Next, return to My Products and open the web hosting section. Find the hosting plan you want to use. If it's brand new, click Setup. If it's already running, click Manage. During the setup flow, GoDaddy will ask which domain you want to use as your primary domain. Select the domain you just reviewed. The primary domain becomes the main address for the hosting account, and GoDaddy will link it to the right server path. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm. Behind the scenes, GoDaddy may update the DNS for you or provide the details needed, depending on your configuration. If you're adding a second domain to an existing hosting plan, open cPanel Admin from the hosting dashboard. Inside cPanel, go to the Domains section and choose Add-on Domain. Enter the domain name you're attaching. cPanel will generate a document root folder automatically. That's where your site files for this domain will live. Confirm to create the add-on domain. This connects the new domain to your hosting so it can serve its own website separate from your primary domain. After you finish, give DNS a little time to update. Changes can be quick, but they may take up to a few hours to fully propagate across the internet. When you test, try a private browser window or clear your cache if you don't see the new site right away. If a domain isn't resolving, double check that its DNS or name servers are pointing to GoDaddy as expected, and make sure the domain you selected is indeed set as the primary or added as an add-on domain in cPanel. That's it. You've connected your domain to your GoDaddy web hosting and, if needed, added an additional domain to the same plan.